Okay, so I just wanted to show you this simple little script. Basically, what we're using is we're using the speech recognition module that you can use for Python. From the microphone, we are collecting the speech that you're saying. That is going up to Google. Google is then sending down text, and then based off of that text, we can have events happen. So if I run this, it will start detecting my speech and will write it out to a web page. So I can do this right now, and I can say something, and it will get written to the web page. Right? Do this right now. That got written to the web page. If I say the word hippie, that will be considered an alert and will get a red background color. If I say the words open sesame, that will be considered good, and I'll get a green background color. And that's basically the idea here. So with this particular script, it's doing a while true loop. So it loops. Basically, it listens to voice until you stop speaking. And then when you stop speaking, that gets sent up to Google. So this can be a little bit quirky, especially in this kind of environment where I'm talking to you and talking to the camera. But it's basically kind of an interesting idea of how can you turn voice into text and then have events occur based off of that. If we go over here and we look at the actual code itself, you can see that it is very simple. Again, 31 lines. Basically, we import speech recognition up here. We do the recognizer, color equals nothing, full text equals nothing. Then while true loop, basically we're listening from the microphone. We're listening from the microphone. That gets turned into audio. That audio goes through Google Recognizer. If the audio is detected, it gets turned into text. If it's not, you just get nothing. If hippie, text dot lower, color equals salmon. Else if, open sesame, light green, else white. Then basically here is where we are turning the text. So basically we're just turning this into one really big long text string. Then we're writing to speech.html. We're dumping everything in with an auto refresh of every 2 seconds. And then we're printing text out onto the screen. And so that's what gets us this particular script. And again, the issue is when I keep talking like this, basically it keeps listening to me until I stop talking. And so right now it looks like it's locked up here. It's not actually locked up here. I've just continued to talk. And so it hasn't sent all the text up to get processed yet. That's just basically an idea of how the speech to text stuff kind of works. If you like these kinds of videos, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like these types of videos, give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, do all that kinds of stuff. And I'll see you later.